Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Guide. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to get notified when any videos are uploaded. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube thumbnails in Snappa. Snappa is a graphic editor designed for the digital marketers and content marketer teams to help create visuals for social media infographics, blogs, and advertisements. The graphics can be edited with a simple drag and drop. So first let's go to Google and type Snappa. After clicking Snappa, click this first one, Snappa Quick and Easy Graphic Design Software. Then you will get this. Then you will just go to the home page and you will find a login or sign up. So I'll just log out and show you how to log in or sign up. So basically you'll get this page and you can just click start, get started free. It is totally free. You can just log in with your name and password and all, but if you already have an account, then log in. I already have an account. And then after logging in your account, you'll get this page. You have so many like social media posts, blogging and infographic, headers, banners, and profile pages, social and display ads. Yeah. So first let's go to the top, and as we need thumbnail in the social media posts, last one you'll find YouTube thumbnails. Click this and you'll get so many templates for your YouTube thumbnail. You can just create from blank or you can just create from feature templates. So I'll just show you two ways how to create a thumbnail. First, I'll just show you how to create from the default ones. Okay, I'll just select this. If you're using default one, it will be very easy because you can just change the background of it also. So here now there are it's written the 10 best steel plants on the market. You can just type how to cook. That's it. Another text, add a heading. You have to just go to text and add heading. You'll at the left side you'll find so many stuff. You just don't you can ignore everything and just select this font heading and place. You can change the font, bold, italic, underline. You can place wherever you want, like in the middle, left or right. Change the size or change the color. And I'll just type by tag that. And I'll just change the color because the background color is also black. So I'll just change it into uh, okay, I'll change into white. How to cook by tech guide. I kept how to cook by tech guide because the background represents someone cooking, so I'll just show. Now, if you want to edit this background, you can just go to backgrounds and you can just search for cooking. You'll find so many. So you can just select any one, or if you have an image in your file explorer, just go to uploads and upload your image. If you want to change the color, you can. If you want to add patterns, you can. So I'll just go to photos. I'll select. Okay, fine. I'll just select the first one. So I'll just load. Yeah, now it came. So this page has come, but you can't find the piece or the main part of the image. So I'll just click some other image, and then you can find a little part of it. If you're not not compromised, you can just change the size of this. Like I'll just keep it over here and make this how to cook little at the left, little at the left, and then you'll find half this and half that. If you're done with this, you can just go and save it as like if you want to download it some other time but not now, you can just save it now. Like and if you want to download it, just click download and click high res PNG. For you, it will get directly downloaded because you're new to this. But for me, it won't come because actually Snappa allows only 4 downloads in 1 month. Per month, 4 downloads. So I crossed 4 downloads, so I can't download anymore. So you can just save it so that if next month comes, you can just download it. So that's why I told you to click just save. But if you already have, you can just easily download it. It'll automatically download. If you want to share, you can just share, but still it'll be the same. You can't share it. You can change the name like to cook thumbnail, and that's it. If you're done, then you can. Now let's go back, and now I will show you how to create from scratch. Now I'll just show you how to the previous how to highlight your mouse that thumbnail. I'll just show you how I did. First, what I did, I went to graphics and I went to uploads. In that, actually, I saved a mouse, but I don't think I can find it. So you can just go to new tab and then I'll find mouse. That's it. Mouse. Like a background for your. Oh my god. So we want a lot of mouse in one background like this. So what did I choose? I choose this one. I saved it. Wait. You can just save this image and just click enter. I'll go back to my tab and over here I'll just click upload an image. When you click upload an image, I saved this, so I'll just click this and I'll click open. When I click open, it'll just take time to load and it'll come here. It will not directly open. You can just click this and you'll get this, but you want the background for it. You can just go to background and add this, but I didn't did like that. So I'll just show you how I did. So I made this size big to fill that background. And what I did, I kept the opacity low. Like I kept it, I think I kept 20. Yeah, I kept 20. Then I went to graphics again. I went to uploads. Then I thought to add the highlight mouse logo, like not logo, like highlighted mouse, that image. Oops, I made a mistake. I'll go to images. And there are so many. So the one which I selected was this one. Highlight set cursor. You can just any of these. So I'll just click save again. Then I went to Snappa. I went to upload an image. Then this one was the mouse. Okay, when it comes, just double click it and you'll find this. I'll just make the size a bit small. Keep it in the middle. Then what I did, I went to text and I clicked add a heading. Over here I double click and type how to highlight your cursor. So I'll just keep this at the top. I change my font. My favorite font is this, and I change the size to 100. Then I again added text and heading, and I over here I typed by tech guide. Then I think I'll just keep the size a bit bigger. Yeah, so then this was it. I did like this much only. Then I click download and it got downloaded. And as you know, I did above 4 downloads. So for this also, only 4 downloads per month. You can just save it like till the next month comes, and yeah. So this is how you create your own thumbnail for your YouTube channel, for a YouTube video in Snappa. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care and hit the bell button to get notified when any video is uploaded.